from the National Weather Service for the following county: Chester County, Pennsylvania. Freeze warning in effect from 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. Saturday. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a freeze warning. It is in effect from 2 a.m. until 8 a.m. Saturday. The freeze watch is no longer in effect. Low temperatures, mainly in the upper 20s and lower 30s from late tonight into early Saturday morning. Urban centers may be slightly warmer. Timing, mainly between 3 a.m. and 8 a.m. Saturday. Impacts, flowering fruit trees and other sensitive vegetation will suffer damage if not protected. A freeze warning indicates that sub-freezing temperatures are imminent or highly likely. The sub-freezing temperatures may damage or kill sensitive vegetation. At 3